Welcome to my spicy kitchen. And today I have one of my most favorite people in the whole wide world, Kiroki. Yeah.
Thanks for having me.
We're making chicken fajitas to celebrate International Women's Day. Kiro, do you remember when we met first? She was just like the funnest, the happiest, with the biggest smile. This is a recipe that you can totally make with your family.
I love a good family meal where you're cooking, prepping, and eating together.
The most important one, the freeze-dried red chili salsa.
Give it a nice little kick.
I wonder who's more feisty, you or me?
You.
Okay, now put in the peppers. Chubiata. Yeah. Vamos a poner el pollo. Can you hear the sizzling? I'm gonna add some of our chile limon. If you guys haven't tried this, it's a must. There we go. We made fajitas. We're cooking the tortillas the Mexican ways, right on the stove.
That looks good.
I'm gonna put some creamy jalapeno, a little bit of queso fresco. Salud!